Now for drawing displayed formula, you need to show all bonds and atoms. So again, you know about ester that they have two parts, methyl and butanoate, YL part and 8 part, and they are very specific. They tell you, they give you some information. YL part is from alcohol, 8 part is from carboxylic acid, right? So methyl mean you have one carbon, and this one carbon, because it is terminal carbon, it contains 3 hydrogen because carbon has 4 valency, and its oxygen, alcohol oxygen part is directly linked with carbon having these hydrogens. Now acid part, it is butanoate. It means you have to draw 4 carbons. These 4 carbons are linked together. Now this carbon is acid part, so it means it has a double bond with oxygen, and rest of the carbon you need to put the hydrogen. You have to make it 4, and terminal you can see 3 hydrogens. If you want to write its structural formula, see, this is CH3, this is CH2, this is CH2, this is CH3. You can convert it into structural formula. It's CH3O CO, and then you have CH2, CH2, CH3. I hope you are clear about this. And same is the case with ethyl propanoate. See, we need to draw ethyl propanoate in a similar way. Ethyl mean this one is a alcohol part. So you need to draw 2 carbon directly linked with oxygen, right? And you just need to complete the number of hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and then acid part, it's propanoate. It means you need to draw 3 carbon, 1, 2, 3, and this carbon is directly attached with oxygen, and rest of the carbon you need to complete there. And again, it's very easy to draw their structural formula. How? Just count the each carbon structure, right? See, what is the structural formula for this? It's CH3 CH2 O, and then CO CH2 and CH3. So this is ethyl propanoate. I hope you are clear about this.